this is best place to get data sets for free. Most of the data analysts and data scientists download and practice from this Kaggle account. Create a Kaggle account which is free and go to data sets and download this data set. This is called case data from San Francisco 311, and this is the link which I will upload in, as I said, in my description box. So if this link doesn't work, you should know how to get the data. Go to Kaggle, type case data from San Francisco 311 in search area, go to data sets and type this, and you will find this data set here. Download it and start working on it. I have CSV files and I'm going to take only 2 files, that is calls and categories, because that is all I need. And then I'm going to click transform data. So here I'm going to go to get data and click CSV file. As I said, I have 2 files, that is calls and categories. Calls, open, and categories. These 2 files I'm going to load and then click transform data and start cleaning the data for analysis. So I'm going to click first. Okay, I will download categories later, but let me work with the calls data table and start to clean, and later on I will load my category table also. As soon as the call table opens, I'm going to go to Power Query Editor to clean the okay. So here I have calls. Let me see, I have so many columns here, and I'm going to go to transform data first. And as soon as this Power Query Editor, I have this, I'm going to I think this is right. So it looks okay to me right now. So let me first transfer for purpose. I'm doing this. What is this? Oh, no. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm going to transfer this to text because I have something to do. Replace current. Okay, I'm going to convert all this temporarily to text. So this is how you change your data type, and so let me see the data first. I was just so because I don't want so much data, I'm going to work with the smaller data. Let me go to text filter and go to begins with, and here I am going to change the date because the data is too big. That's why I'm going to work with the smaller data. I prefer smaller data. Let me put it as December 31st, 2014. So I will be working with the data that begins with. December 31st, 2014. So this is since I see this has date and time also, I'm going to split this column here. I'm going to click and I'm going to split the column by the number of characters because I don't want time and date together. I want to separate it from I want only date one column and other as time. Here both are together. I want it separate. So what I'm going to do is count line 11 characters once as far right as possible. I'm going to click OK. So now I have two columns, one which has date and one which has time. And I'm going to name this open to. Looks difficult. I'm going to type this as HOUR, our OPENED, opened. So this is the date and this is the hour opened of the case. Now I don't want this here. I'm going to take this and wait here. I'm going to move this column where to the end. So now I moved this column to the end. Now I'm going to load categories. And I'm going to click OK. So here I see column 1 and column 2 which I don't like. So I'm going to use first row as header and change it. I'm going to click on calls. And then click transform data. And then I'm going to go to merge queries as new. Here I'm going to click categories and I'm going to click category here and I'm going to click category here. And then click OK. Now I'm going to click here. And then OK. So now the category, now you will, since you have merged categories, now you know this categories from Power Query Editor to load to my desktop. So what I'm going to do is right click and uncheck enable load. So I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to click close and apply. And now the changes will be uploaded. Here I'm going to go to table tools because I'm going to create a new table. New table. And here I'm going to type a formula, that is date is equal to calendar function date that begins from 2015, 01, 01, again comma, date 2016, 09, 31, and I'm going to close this, and again I'm going to close this. So I have created by typing this formula. Now I'm going to since I don't think right now I need a time function, so I'm going to change the type to this. I'm going to put DD and changed it to this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some extra column in the date. New column I'm going to click, and in that I'm going to create 4 more columns, that is year, month number. Now I'm going to YEAR, year, date function, dot, year. Where is year? Year. And I'm going to put this. Here I will get year. Now only year I'm going to get here. Now I'm going to create one more column, new column, and I'm going to write month number. MONTH, month, NUMBER, number is equal to date function dot month number. So now I'm going to get month number. And now I'm going to create one more column. And I'm going to put month, M-O-N-T-H, month is equal to date function dot month, and here I will get month, name of the month. So now I'm going to create one more column, and here I'm going to format it day, day is equal to format date, comma, DDD, so I have created from this thing different columns from it. One is year, month number, month, and day. So these are the things that I created for my future analysis. So now I am going to hide this. I don't want month number, so I'm going to hide this. Okay, what happened? Okay, so this is what it says. I have hit the month number. Sort the column by month number. Here I am doing sort one column by the contents of another. Select the column to be sorted and column you would like to sort. So what I did is I clicked here and sorted everything by the month number. Now, okay, I have to, home and go to transform data, and from there I'm going to go to column. I mean to say column tools, duplicate column, and in that I'm going to write date opened. I'm going to rename this as date opened. So I have changed the name as date opened. Now I'm going to close and apply, and then go to model view. So I'm going to go to this third tab. It has not updated. So as soon as this update finish, I'm going to go to model view. So here now what is I'm telling, I just created a new table here, right? This table which was not there. So here I'm going to drag this and put it here in date. So a relationship is developed between this. So then I'm going to go back to here and click Manage Relationship. From Manage Relationship, I'm going to click Edit. Here I'm going to go to, where is it? Already clicked date opened and date, because this was something new which we created, and now I'm going to click OK. Close. So a relationship has been created. So now I'm going to create some measure. I'm going to click here and create some new measure in the calls table. Here I'm going to type number of cases is equal to count rows. Number of cases is equal to count, where is count rows? Okay, here it is. Count rows and calls. I'm going to close it and create a measure. So I'm going to create a second measure, new measure, and I'm going to type previous month number of cases is equal to previous month number of cases is equal to calculate number of number of cases, comma, parallel period, okay, here it is, parallel period, date, comma, -1, comma, month, and close it. So this is how you create a table, and then how you can